I'm bringing this thing back to life. Just plugged it in after about 6 years or so, sitting in a nice fancy box. But because I've heard so many comments recently about this little rotary razor, I figured it's time to pull it out and do another proper review. As you can see, it's low on charge at about 20%. I'll leave it here for a while and see what happens. Right, Purse? We're gonna wait for the SweetLF, the SweetLF. He's good at waiting. All the leaves are brown. And the sky is gray. I've been for a walk on a winter's day. And I'd be safe and warm if I was in LA. California dreaming on such a winter's day. Dude. All right, a couple of days later, and I'm traveling. I'm in LA at the JW Marriott LA Live, and getting lots of comments about the SweetLF or SweetLF razor on Amazon. I did this review maybe 5 years ago, and recently this thing's exploded. So the test today is to pull this out after 5 years and do a shave. I'm running probably just under a week's worth. I've got to get ready for an event today. Got my sleeping glasses on. But I'm going to use this and put it through a real world travel test. And I have a backup just in case this doesn't shave as well as I remember. All right, so let's get right to it. Now, rotary razors and me, they've never been a great fit. But I was amazed at this little device. First of all, the economy of it and just the effectiveness of it for me and my face. Again, I've usually gotten tons of irritation from rotary razors over the years. They just have not been effective, but let's give this a whirl. Take a look at it, it's very nice. Whisper quiet. 3 heads. You know the drill. It's got an indicator here, battery life, with an old style charging device, but still USB type. Let's go for it. Wow. Wow. Still impressive. I'm rotating the discs across the skin in a light manner. I have not prepped the skin with an electric shave or anything. Let's go to the sensitive bits. Wow. Now, as you can see, there's still some hair left behind, and I'm going at this in a haphazardly manner. But look at all that hair. keep going. No nicks, no tugs, no irritation. And again, super whisper quiet. Look at that. So it's attacked that stubble. Now, there are still stray hairs. That's one thing with rotary razors, and if you're new to them, your face needs a little time to acclimate to the shave. It has this pop-up trimmer. And you can get in and trim the sideburns, which is a nice feature to have. This can be used wet or dry. So I'm going to throw a little shaving cream on and do another pass and see if this is good enough for a travel shave, good enough for government work today. Add a little near hot water. Jump into my travel bag's Barbasol. Some looks a little soupy, but this will do the trick until I can get a better can. It's probably been sitting around way too long. Let's take a look at the wet. Ah, that feels nice. No pressure, just circular motions. With the shaving cream on, I guess you could put a little bit more light pressure. But the trick with any shaving device to save your skin from irritation, ingrown hair, and the like is reduced pressure. All right. Just rinse that head out. One final glance over. And I'll let it air dry and see if it works tomorrow. Final results. For the most part, pretty good. I'm feeling some hair in spots, but for $30, $39, whatever this costs on Amazon, I'll leave the link below. Certainly if you're a rotary razor lover, you could do wet, dry, nice travel razor for sure. So I'm still impressed. Again, Rotary razors and me, they just don't mix. I'm feeling a little bit of irritation, but for the most part, this is a passable shave. Wow. The SweetLF, the SweetLF. Again, I'll leave a link below if you want to pick one of these up as your travel razor or your primary razor. I can't knock it right now, guys. After 5 years sitting in a box. I'm sure they have an updated model. But there you go. And I have to go too because I'm running late. All right, I'll see you next time. I'll have more reviews on this trip. But for right now, I'm living the sweet life. All right. Roll the music.
Roll the music.
Dude, roll the music.
Took you like a shot, thought that I could chase you with cool.